only I can go with further questions, or else I won't do. If you are not complete the homework, I won't go anyway. Further topics. Next, Deepthi is raising hand. What is Deepthi?
Ma'am,
What's your thought?
ma'am, your voice is very low to me, ma'am.
Okay, can I raise my voice, or else can I increase my volume? Part was very high here.
Ma'am, it's very low for me also.
Okay. Now? Now?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's fine.
Okay, 100% was increased.
Ma'am, it's low again.
Okay, I'll check, children. 1 minute, I'll check.
Ma'am, I think your Zoom microphone value.
Zoom
for
microphone. How
Yeah.
do you check, my dear?
ma'am, once can you share your Zoom screen? Ma'am, that options, options. Meeting controls. Meeting controls. Ma'am, can you show us meeting controls of your Zoom meeting?
Yeah, ma'am, in meeting controls,
one?
you have to go to
Ma'am,
settings.
Ma'am, not that one, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am, go to your Zoom meeting window,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Where you can see all.
to that
Zoom meeting window, ma'am.
782.
Ma'am, go to Zoom meeting window.
There's a right, ma'am, there's
Ma'am,
arrow
open
click
that
that audio settings.
You're using in Chrome, ma'am.
Click that and it's going to say volume.
See the not Visa. Ma'am, go to here Zoom icon, ma'am. You can see, ma'am, down.
Yeah, and ma'am, then you have to right click on that.
Yes, it is in Zoom. Zoom only,
Right
my
click
dear.
on that, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's going to say audio
ma'am, do
settings, ma'am.
right click, ma'am. Ma'am, do a right click.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, right click.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
click on
click
Zoom.
Zoom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Even it can be done there. Ma'am, sign in with your account.
Ma'am,
I
sign in with.
I think
Ma'am,
you
you have to
can't
sign in
share
with your
the.
account.
I think ma'am did only share this one. Ma'am didn't do share everything.
Ma'am, you have to click sign in and you have to sign into your account, ma'am. Then only.
Yes, ma'am. You
Just
click your.
no, if I left the meeting, it won't.
Ma'am, no need to leave, ma'am. You can click on that only, ma'am. Directly.
Ma'am,
Click on there.
ma'am.
Sign.
You can just directly press sign in, ma'am, and log in with your
Yeah,
account.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. It will not exit.
And ma'am, keep me signed in.
Ma'am, keep me signed in option there. Box tick, ma'am. Ma'am, click to sign in with Google.
Yeah, ma'am. As soon as there comes, there would be setting buttons. If you press that setting buttons, general.
1 minute. Let ma'am get in.
Ma'am, now you have to click on Zoom icon, ma'am. Left click. Left click on Zoom icon.
The Zoom has not come for her.
Ma'am?
Yes. Where is the Zoom? Here.
Ma'am, down in taskbar, ma'am.
Ma'am, that same one, ma'am, that you clicked. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Zoom.
Ma'am, Zoom.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the first one, Zoom. Yeah, ma'am, that one.
Sorry, ma'am could have done meeting controls over there.
Ma'am, click the meeting controls. It will go to meeting controls.
Or else, ma'am, you can go to meeting
I think
options.
this is not that one.
Microphone.
This is some other part.
Ma'am, there's a microphone button. There's a arrow.
Ma'am,
just
orange
click that,
one
ma'am.
is stop this.
Okay, children, leave it. Leave it. I can be a little louder. Don't worry. That's not an issue. You please wait. That part. We'll go with the concept. Don't worry. You can hear, right? Yes or no? You can hear or not?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear.
Yes. Then no issues. Then we'll go directly with our one now. Yeah. Yesterday we are discussing about what are fractions. Fractions are a part of form, and there are different types of fractions. Like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed numbers. There are different how to convert a proper to improper, improper to mixed, mixed to improper. These are we discussed, and not only these things, how to compare fractions also we did by making like how to make as a like fractions.
Ma'am, you need to find the denominator is LCM and multiply it by the
Ma'am,
number.
and multiplied by the number.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
have
Like,
to multiply.
ma'am, like 1/3. You have to make 1/3 into like fraction 4 3/12, ma'am, which is will be equal
Ma'am,
to,
Yes.
ma'am, when adding unlike fractions, if we take an example of 3/10 and 2/20, we have to calculate the LCM of 10 and 20, ma'am. The LCM will be 20, and next 10 into 2 and 3 into 2,
ma'am,
which
20 by
which will be 6
20
by
by
20
20.
plus 3, 6 by 20 plus 2 by 20, which is equal to 8 by 20, ma'am.
Very good.
Yeah,
That means
ma'am.
LCM is very important role. Did you
Yeah, ma'am.
understood, children?
LCM plays a very
is a very,
important
very
Yeah,
important role. How to find LCM in easier way? By looking only how to find LCM. Suppose 2 and 3. What are 2 and 3 are consecutive numbers? What is LCM of consecutive numbers? What is LCM of consecutive numbers, children? Yes. What is LCM of consecutive numbers?
Ma'am, 1.
Yes. What is LCM of consecutive numbers? I'm asking.
Ma'am, it is the product of both.
Very good. It is the product of both the numbers. Very good. And what is LCM of co-prime numbers?
Ma'am, when it is prime number, the LCM will be the product of both the numbers, but commonly we have to calculate ourselves, ma'am.
Okay. Now my question is, what is LCM of co-prime numbers? What is co-prime? First of all, I want what are co-prime numbers? Who are going to give the definition for co-prime numbers?
Which do not have LCM, or sorry, which do not have HCF.
Ma'am, HCF is 1,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
HCF is 1.
Very good. The common factor is only 1. Common factor is only 1. Such a numbers we call it as co-prime numbers. Very good, children.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Because why
ma'am,
these
the-
are very
ma'am, the
important things.
numbers-
Sometimes,
yeah, ma'am, ma'am, the
yeah,
number.
Jane, please listen sometime. Half an hour class, please seriously listen. Then
Okay.
I can open speak with everyone so that you can unmute and you can speak. You look at the screen, children. There is an exercise 2.1. We have a simple addition and subtraction of fractions. Yes or no? Do you have addition and subtraction of fractions here?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, we have addition and subtraction of fractions. In that first, there are the first question. If you look at the first question from exercise 2.1, what is the first number? 2. 2 is what type of number? Is it a whole number or fractional number?
Whole number.
Whole number. If any whole number. Yes, if you are subtracting a fraction from any whole number, what you should do, children? What is the procedure?
2 by 1.
Very good. You can make as 2 by 1. Very good. What is the next 1 and 5? Is it like or unlike?
Ma'am, unlike, ma'am.
Unlike.
What you should do?
Like,
You should convert
like,
them
ma'am.
as. You should
Like
convert them as-
fraction.
Like
Ma'am,
fractions.
it would be 10
convert them
by
as like what is you
be
supposed to
10 by
do?
5.
LCM.
LCM.
1 and any
10, ma'am.
number is
LCM is
5 only.
Ma'am, the
ma'am.
LCM is 5 itself, ma'am.
Ah.
And ma'am, which will be
You
equal
just
to,
see, children, our denominator is 1. You should make your denominator becomes 5. So when 2
yeah,
by
ma'am,
1, when it
10
becomes
by
5,
5, ma'am.
by multiplying with
Ma'am, 10 by
5. Same
5.
thing you should do for numerator also, children. So 1
Yeah, ma'am, which
multiplied
is
with
equal
5
to 10 by
and
5.
2
ma'am.
multiplied with 5. And 3 by 5. Denominator is 5. No need to change. Already our LCM is also 5. No need to change. You just simply 2 5
Yeah, ma'am.
10
That's
by 5
simple, ma'am.
minus 3 by 5.
But my 3 by 5, ma'am, which is equal to 7 by 5.
7
Or
by 5. 7 by 5 is improper.
One,
Improper
yes,
always
ma'am.
you should not
We have
leave
to
like that,
convert them
children.
into
You
a
always
mixed
convert
fraction,
them
ma'am,
as
which is 1, 2 by 5.
Ma'am,
convert them as
Ma'am, 1, 2 by 5.
what is the conversion? By doing division, you can make them as like fractions. Yes. 5
Yeah, ma'am.
5.
Ma'am, 7, 5, ma'am, 1 and 2 is the remainder. So, ma'am, we write 1 as the whole number, 2 as the
1 2 by 5,
numerator.
ma'am.
Yes.
From it.
Can I give 2 more
Ma'am.
questions like that, children?
Them over.
Can you please second bit answer, please?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay,
Ma'am.
ma'am, I'm calculating.
Ma'am, 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8.
Deepti, raise your doubt, Deepti.
Ma'am, instead of telling that we are converting unlike to like, ma'am, can we tell we are making the fraction equivalent?
Improper to proper, ma. It's not like. Sorry, improper to proper. Yes.
Ma'am, but denominator we are
Ma'am, the sum is
Any
37 by
doubt
8.
here?
not that one, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
30
not that
by
one.
8, ma'am.
After finding LCM,
7
ma'am.
by 8. So 37 by 8.
What is your
39,
doubt?
39 by 8.
Wait,
Ma'am, 39 by 8.
Oh, yeah,
Deepti, 1 minute, children. Rishikesh, everyone, please mute yourself sometime. Deepti, what's your doubt here?
Ma'am, after finding LCM, ma'am, we are converting unlike fraction to like fraction, ma'am.
That is always mandatory. Why? Because when you want to add or subtract will not do in unlike fractions. Only you're going to do on like fractions. If any unlike fractions will happen, means you need to convert them as like, then you're supposed to do the procedure.
Yes, ma'am.
We are unable to do directly unlike fraction additions again.
Ma'am, can we tell that we are making the fraction equivalent?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, the answer is 39 by 8, ma'am.
39 by
8.
Ma'am, it's 4 7 by 8. 4 7 by 8, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, that's what I told Daksh.
I never heard it.
Huh?
So I was talking on mute.
Then you told 37 by 8.
Yeah.
4 7 by 8, I told, and you may
Then
have
you are
told
doing that much procedure, right? No need of doing second bit by everything. I will, because it is addition, since it is addition, you see, 1 minute, children, I'll let you know. Since it is addition, by looking only, you can say this is nothing but 4 plus 7 by 8. 4 plus 7 by 8 is nothing but, why it is not appearing here?
Ma'am, your meeting controls are not working nicely, ma'am. That's why.
Huh?
Yeah, ma'am, I think. Ma'am, I think today your meeting controls doesn't want you to do something,
What,
ma'am,
ma'am? What?
because that's.
What?
Ma'am, it's like your meeting controls who don't want you to do
Okay.
this, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, that means there's a glitch with your meeting options.
Shall I erase this part, children, so that we go with the second one?
Ma'am, you could just take large eraser.
Even eraser also not working. Why so?
Ma'am, you have to keep it large. Right click.
No, this,
Ma'am, actually,
Ma'am.
because of your meeting controls, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's because of your meeting controls.
Yeah, ma'am.
It's glitched into your system and it's not letting you do anything.
okay. Anyway, I supposed to scroll down also, it is not happening.
Or else, ma'am, you can take a large size razor and rub this.
No, system only okay. Now I can.
Or else, ma'am, you have to restart your whole computer. Ma'am, I have the book, ma'am. I can just send you
Yes,
the pictures.
It's a foundation book, ma.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please,
Mathematics.
Jane, go through the book and you're supposed to practice. If you have any doubt, please share with me so that I can help
No,
you.
ma'am. I don't have any doubts, ma'am. I can send you the.
Ma'am, what is that book, ma'am?
Foundation book, Nana. It is a foundation book.
It is called Mathematics Textbook for Class 7.
Oh, NCRT. Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The same book I
you
have.
see, children here.
Ma'am, can I go drink?
Yes.
This book.
This is very easiest one, children. Second one. 4 plus 7 by 8. No need of doing anything because it is addition. You can write directly mixed number here. 4 7 by 8. You know this is how to convert. This is for 8 times. 32. 32 plus
Ah, ma'am, got it, ma'am. So
32 plus
whenever
7
there's
is
a addition.
directly, no need of doing anything, children. You can directly 4 7 by 8 you can write.
Yes,
For whole
ma'am.
parts and 7 8 by 7 by 8. No need
Yeah,
of
ma'am.
doing
Because
LCM
ma'am is
procedure.
going to be
No need of making them as like fractions. You can directly write 4 7 by 8. But in subtraction we cannot write, children. Now I'm going to give a few more questions to you. 2 plus 3 by 7. What is the answer without doing?
Ma'am, 2 3 by 7.
2 3 by
2
7.
3
Ma'am, 2
by
ma'am 2 3 by 7.
yes, very good. 1 4 by 5. Sorry,
Ma'am,
1
ma'am 1 4 by 5.
4 by 5,
1
ma'am.
plus 4 by 5. 1 4 by 5. No need
Ma'am,
of
you gave the answer only, ma'am. First.
Ma'am,
since it is addition,
ma'am,
but in subtraction, please Jane mute yourself sometime. Since it is subtraction, suppose 1 minus 4 by 5, we cannot write directly because it is subtraction. You need to do procedure. Just simply cross multiply, children. 5 into 1, 5. 5 minus 4 divided by 5, it's nothing but 1 by 5. No need of doing like fractions also. That is for your understanding. First bit I'm teaching, and the rest of the bits you can do as you like.
okay,
In
ma'am.
more simpler way also you can. Yes, shall I move to the next part?
Yeah, ma'am, you can.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, children. It's third bit. You see the what is the third question here?
Ma'am, but
Ma'am,
now we have
magic
to
square.
find the LCM.
What is the magic square here?
Ma'am, where all diagonals and horizontals and verticals some
Not
of the
that one.
same.
Not that one. Not that one. What I'm asking here.
Ma'am, they both have a numerator and denominator.
No, here this is the third bit I'm asking. It's the third. No, it's not that third.
Magic square.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma.
oh, the third one.
Magic square.
Ma'am, it's a magic
Not
square.
magic square, no, no. In this 2.1 first bit, third one.
Oh.
Ah, ma'am.
3 by 5 plus 2 by 7.
Yeah, ma'am.
3 by 5.
2 by 7, ma'am.
3 by 5 plus
Come
2
on,
by 7.
do it and let me know. Put in the
Ma'am,
chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Put in the
Have to
chat
find the
box again.
LCM
Don't
as
shout.
usual.
Don't shout. I want answer from Manish, Madhav or Amat. What is LCM of 5 and 7?
Ma'am, it's 35.
Very good. What is LCM of 5 and 7? It's 35. Good. Manish, I want to make my fraction as the denominator 35. As you said, LCM is 35. My fractions are 3 by 5 and 2 by 7.
ma'am, I sent you.
Yes. Now, what is the
Ma'am.
denominator here, Manish?
Ma'am, 35.
5. 5 when it is 5 becomes 35. 5 how many times?
6.
35.
6 times.
6 or
5, 6
7?
times.
6 or 7?
7, ma'am.
7s are 35. So 7 you should multiply with.
And 7 5s are 35.
Very good. The 7 5s are 35. Now come on, further step. 3 multiplied with the 7 is 21.
3
by 35.
multiplied by 7 is 21.
Then 5
And 2 multiplied by 5 is 10.
2 into 5, 10. 10 by 35. Now, since these are like fractions, can we add up numerators?
Yeah, ma'am, we can.
Yes, ma'am.
We can. Yes, come on. This is nothing but.
So 31 by 35.
It is
Ma'am,
only
and I was correct.
Go with question number 4, children. Please.
Ma'am, that's correct.
Ma'am, can I answer?
We both were correct, Rishikesh.
No,
Yeah.
fourth, everyone, please, fourth one.
Ma'am, even I got same one.
Children, each and every step by step you have to do in your book. I'm going to check your notebooks too today. Please.
Ma'am, I should have told before, ma'am. I'm doing late.
9 means
Ma'am, I have sent the answer.
Hey, today some other meeting was started. Why I am host? Every time Chanakya name will come, right? Top.
ma'am, who? Ma'am, what meeting, ma'am?
Some options we have changed. Now, question number 4. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Amath, what is LCM of 11 and 15? Amath, what is LCM of 11 and 15?
I mean,
Ma'am,
Ashwath, the reason also I want Ashwath.
ma'am, both are co-prime numbers. So 11 times 15 will become 165.
165 is the LCM, ma'am.
Okay, then 165 is LCM. First fraction, then what number I supposed to multiply, children?
Ma'am, 9 into 15 plus 4 into 11.
Very good. So I can go with my fourth bit was,
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. By mistake, I have sent some other answer.
okay, 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. These two are unlike. Unlike means denominators are not same, children. Unlike. So you need to find the LCM of denominators to make as like fractions. These two are co-prime numbers. What are co-prime?
Ma'am, now I have sent you the correct answer.
Co-prime. These two are 11 and 15 are co-prime numbers.
Co-prime, yes, ma'am.
Are co-primes. Why it is co-primes?
Ma'am, because in this one is odd and one is even, ma'am.
No. So what are the multiples of factors of 11? 1 into 11.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. The common factors of
Factors
11
of
and 15 is only 1.
1, 5, 15. Now what is the common factor in these both?
I'm only 1.
1. So any two numbers, common factor as 1. Common factor as 1. Factor is 1. Common factor as 1. Such a numbers we call it as co-prime numbers. Such a numbers call it as
Yeah, ma'am, we call it as co-prime, which
co-prime
the
numbers.
NCF is equal to 1.
Primes. Now 11 and 15 are co-primes. Yes or no?
Yeah, ma'am. They don't have
Product is
any.
the LCM, children. No need of finding also. Product is the
Yeah, ma'am, it's
LCM.
11 into 15.
Product is the LCM.
11 into
So 11
15.
into 15.
Ma'am, 11 into 15 is 165, ma'am.
Any, not only this case, children, any co-prime numbers, if you are coming in your denominators, no need of doing normal procedure to find LCM. You just directly go with the product of the numbers was the LCM of the co-prime numbers. Next part, if I want to make as a like fractions, what I should do, children? If I want to make these as like fractions. So my fraction was 9 by 11 and 4 by 15.
Yeah, ma'am.
So first fraction denominator was 11. 11 how many times 165? Just this
165, ma'am.
product only. That's why 11 into 15. So multiplied with 15. Here denominator was 15. So you should multiply with 11. Now 15 9
Ma'am.
times 135 by 165 minus 44 by
Minus 44 by
165.
165, ma'am. When now, ma'am, we can
135. Since these
cross
two
over
are
those
denominators are
denominators.
same, those
Yeah,
like
ma'am.
fractions. So 135 minus 44
Ma'am,
divided
minus
by
44, ma'am, which is
160.
equal by
Nothing but
165, ma'am, which is
4 means
ma'am
91 by 165.
yes, ma'am.
You got the same,
Yeah,
children?
ma'am. Correct. Yeah, ma'am, I got the same answer, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am,
Any other answers?
Ma'am, and
The
the
next students are
7
getting any other
10.
answers? Please put in the chat box, children. How many of you get 91 by 165? Raise your hands, children. Just raise your hands so that I can see how many of you are correct. Deepthi was correct. Ashwath Reddy was correct. Jain is correct. Rishikesh is correct. Amath correct. And
Ma'am,
Daksh was
only the
correct.
one is not raising is
Manish is,
Manish.
Manish also kept raised hand. Okay, all of them are correct. Next, coming to the next question, children.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, the next question is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2.
What's your doubt, ma?
No, ma'am, the next question is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Ma'am, it's
Ma'am, the
just
total
repeating.
LCM of the three numbers will be 10 only, ma'am.
Okay, all three
Yeah,
numbers
ma'am.
LCM was 10. Very
ma'am.
good. Wait, children, my screen was not moving towards left.
Ma'am, your screen is stuck.
Where it is struck.
Yeah, ma'am, it's like you're moving your cursor, but nothing is moving for us. Your cursor is moving and you're moving stuff, but it's not.
Rishikesh,
showing.
91 by 165. Deepthi, correct. Jane was given 31 by 35. Why?
Ma'am, for the
Ma'am,
first
for
term,
the
31 by 30.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, for the first bit, for ma'am, so for this, ma'am, for the third bit, ma'am, I just gave the answer, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Wait. Next part of the thing you can see, children.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, the next question is the LCM is only 10, ma'am. So,
LCM is no need of finding, children. 2
Yeah,
and
ma'am.
10.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am.
ma'am, is there a co-prime, ma'am?
By looking
Yeah,
only.
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, and all if you
Ma'am?
multiply 5 into 2 is only
Then?
10, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
By looking only, you can identify 2 and 10. 2 table 10 you will
Table
get.
10 will come and 10 tables
Yeah,
10
ma'am,
will,
five,
will
ma'am,
get.
which
So
is
5 and 10
And five.
LCM is 10
10.
only. Why? Because 5 table
10
you will
only.
get 10.
15 by 10
Ma'am, so the
plus,
total LCM will be 10.
Yes.
ma'am, 10, 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus
Ma'am,
15.
ma'am,
Very good.
ma'am, I'm sending you.
4 plus
Ma'am, 26 by 10.
26 by 10.
26 by 10.
Yeah, ma'am, which
Ma'am,
is
this,
Ma'am,
equal
6 by
to
10
ma'am
you
2,
can
6
reduce
by
into
10,
30
ma'am.
by 30
Ma'am, the
by.
mix
ma'am, this is the first improper fraction we got in our exercise 2.1, ma'am.
Yeah,
First
ma'am.
improper fraction.
First
ma'am, and
improper.
ma'am,
Okay. First improper. Okay.
so ma'am, now we have to convert that into an proper by converting into a mix, ma'am, which is equal to 2, 6 by 10, if I'm correct.
Children, my power was gone. I'm not sure how much time my laptop will be, but anyway, powerful is there. We will go. We
Ma'am,
will
just
check it.
correct me if I'm wrong. The mixed
I
fraction
cannot
would
write
be,
on screen.
ma'am, if you can hear me, just correct me if I'm wrong. Ma'am, the mixed fraction for this one would be 2, 6 by 10, ma'am.
Oh, that is correct only. Jane, go with the next bit. Once it is, children, please, fourth bit, fifth bit, you see.
Ma'am, for the mixed fraction, we have to convert it into a in proper fraction, ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer is 37 by 6. Ma'am?
Ma'am, it's on mute.
Oh, is it fifth bit?
Ma'am, 6th bit.
Is it fifth bit? You're telling answer?
Ma'am, 6th one. Ma'am, 6th bit, ma'am. 6th bit, 37 by 6.
This 4, 5, 6. Please try it, children. I can. Who have doubt? Please, any other doubts in 1, 2, 3, 4 till 4? Any doubts?
Ma'am.
Till 4, any doubts, children?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We don't have any doubts.
Shall I clear the part of screen?
Yeah, ma'am. You can, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
She says we can just solve it. The fractions are simple.
Step by today, I'm going to check your notebooks, children. Last 10 minutes, I won't teach. I'm going to checking with your notebooks because if you are simply sitting and listening like Harikatha, Burvakatha, and some other Katha, and they're leaving the class. I know that. I'm asking them continuously, calling the two parents. They're writing whether they're simply sitting in the classroom. This is question number 5. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. LCM, these are unlike fractions.
Ma'am, it is 10, ma'am.
You need to make them as like LCM of 2, 5, 10. No need of doing, children. 2 table you will get a 10. 5 table you will get a 10. So LCM is the greater number.
Ma'am, you told ma'am, you have told fifth one, ma'am.
Okay. Now first fraction 7 by 10 denominator is 10. So here LCM is also 10. No need to
10.
do anything
Yeah.
for the first fraction. Coming to the second fraction, denominator was 5. 5 table,
Yeah,
then
ma'am.
you will get 10 children. 5 2s the 10. Come on, next 3 by 2. Denominator is 2. 2
Ma'am, so 3 by the 15.
So
2 into 5, 3 into 5.
yes. 7 by
Ma'am, and
plus 4 by 10.
ma'am, and 7 2 into 2 is 4, and 7 plus 4 will be 11, and 3 to 5 is 15, and 11 plus 15 will be 26, ma'am.
Yes.
And 26 by 10.
26 by 10, you need to reduce children. Which table? 2 table. 2 5s are 2 13s are. 13 by 5.
5 are 13, sir. 13
Ah,
by 5.
ah. So 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. 2 3 by 5 was the answer.
Yeah, ma'am.
Always when you have any fraction, simplest form only you're supposed to write children, then you're supposed to convert it. If your answer will come in as a some other bigger number also, you can reduce them into a lowest form. Then you can make them as a mixed number. Next question number 6. It's a simple thing, children. How to convert mixed numbers? How to add mixed numbers? How to add mixed
Ma'am,
numbers?
first we convert them into an improper fraction.
Ma'am, first we have to
Ma'am, we have to
convert.
convert them
Ma'am, we have to convert them into improper fraction. We have to do the values, ma'am.
Very good. We need to convert them.
Ma'am, and the sixth answer will be.
going to be
Ma'am, and ma'am, sixth answer is 37 by 6, ma'am.
I don't
Plus
want Jane mic should be
7.
muted. First, Jane mic continuously shouting. Jane, please mute your mic, Nana. I will ask you so that you can unmute and speak.
Ma'am, sixth one is 37 by 6.
Okay. Put in the chat box your answers. Please place in the chat box immediately once you have it, so that I can see and appreciate you.
Ma'am,
Okay. Now question number 6. 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 3. These all are mixed numbers. We know that how to convert mixed number to improper fractions. Denominator multiplied with the whole part. Denominator multiplied with the whole part. Then added with the numerator. That's why I'm keeping this symbol also, children. Please, you just remember. 2 3s are how much, children? 2 3s are?
I'm 6, ma'am.
6 plus 2?
I'm 8.
8 by 3 plus here 3 3s are
9.
9. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1?
10 by
I'm 10.
Yes, it's not 9, it's 10 by 3.
Ma'am, but there it is.
Ma'am, but there it is 3 by 3, 1 by 2, ma'am. So
Okay.
3 to the 6
Then,
and 6 plus 1, 7.
3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, right?
7 by 2.
Yes, 7 by 2. All right. Since these two are unlike fractions, these two are unlike, we cannot add unlike fractions, children. You need to make them as like. To make them as alike, you need to find denominators, LCM of
16 by 6 plus 21 by.
Yes. So to make as a first fraction, what number you're supposed to multiply? You should multiply with
2.
2. And the second fraction, 2 is denominator. Make as a 6 means what number you should multiply?
60.
Ma'am, 60.
3.
3. Ma'am,
Now you can add up 8 2s are how much?
yeah, ma'am. I'm
16 by
16.
16 by 6.
16 by 6.
1 by 2.
Ma'am, 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6, ma'am. Ma'am, which is equal to 37 by 6.
37 by 6. Okay, 37 by 6 is a improper fraction. Improper fraction should be
Ma'am,
converted
can you give us quiz?
mixed number. So
The last
37 by 6. 6 6 are 36. 1 is remainder. So how you supposed to write? 6 1 by 6 1 by 6. So same thing. Do 7th bit, children. Please do it and put in the chat box. By looking only, you can say 2 and 8. What is the LCM of 2 and 8?
16. Ma'am, 6.
Ashwath Reddy.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the LCM of 2 and 8?
Ma'am, it is 4, ma'am.
What is the LCM of 2 and 8? I'm asking.
4, ma'am.
Ma'am, LCM is 2 only, ma'am. Sorry, 8.
Why are you sleeping?
Ma'am, 8, ma'am.
You said 4.
No, ma'am, 8.
2 and 8 is 8 because 2.
It is the LCM.
Come on, children, make them as like fraction. First, mix some numbers to improper fractions. 8 3s are 16, 17 by 2. Minus 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5 is 29 by 8.
You need into 4 and taka? 51 in 60. 8 by 8. Answer.
Yes, please put in the chat box. I did not get any answer from the students. Second bit also arrange in ascending and descending order. Daksh, what is the LCM of the part?
Ma'am?
What is LCM? Last bit answer was?
Ma'am, 7th one, ma'am.
Yeah, 7th one I gave as homework, right?
Ma'am, 7th one.
7th one.
No one is not answering, just 12 by 1.
Ma'am, 12 by 1, ma'am.
Why 12 by 1? 12 only, right?
Yes,
Ma'am?
ma'am. 12 by 1 is 12 only.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am,
why you
12
are
by
putting
1.
as 12 by 1?
Ma'am, I kept it.
Make it as 12.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ashwath Reddy got 39 by 8. Whose
Ma'am, I
answer
also
was
got
correct? I'm not
38
sure,
by
children. Let me.
39 by 8.
Deepti, what is your answer, Deepti?
39 by 8, ma'am.
39 by 8. Even Deepti got 39 by 8. Is that-
Ma'am, once could you please check, ma'am?
Yeah, I will check. I will check. Daksh, what's your answer?
Ma'am, 7th. Ma'am,
Yeah, 7th, the last one only. Rest of the bits I only did in the screen. Manish, Madhav,
Yes,
Amar,
ma'am.
what is your answer? Jane, Jane, what is your answer? Yeah, Amar got 39 by 8. Very good. I am not sure, children, whether it is correct or not. Rishikesh got some other different answers. I will check right now. Will we go with once again? Yes.
Oh, 60.
Did you check how many of you got the same answer? Like
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
yours wrong?
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am.
Okay. 8 1 by 2 minus.
Ma'am, 39. Ma'am, 39 by 8 only, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, but still we have to convert it into
Number.
mixed
Very
fraction,
good.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am's answer will be 4 7 by 8.
Yeah. 17 by
4 7 by 8.
2 minus 8. 3s are entana.
Made it 24.
24 plus 5 is 29 by 8.
29.
But LCM of 2 and 8 was 8 only. So no need to disturb the
Yeah,
first
ma'am.
fraction. The second fraction simply multiply with 4. 17 4 times.
And 17 4s are 68. 68 minus 29 will be
68 minus
39. 39 by 8.
by 8.
Ma'am,
So,
mine is wrong, ma'am. Ma'am, but we have to convert it into improper fraction, so we'll get 4 7 by 8.
yeah, it is if you convert them, 3s are 4s are. Yes, 4.
Ma'am, can you give us quizzes, ma'am?
Yes, no. Arrange the order in descending order. Ascending and descending.
Give quiz, ma'am.
We'll finish ascending and descending order. Who will give ascending and descending order?
Ma'am, can I?
Ah, yeah.
Ma'am, can
ma'am, me, ma'am. Ma'am, me, ma'am.
Everyone, you're supposed to put your answer in the chat box. I want LCM of 9 3 21 by Deepti.
yes, ma'am.
Suhana was
Ma'am,
not
LCM
done.
of 9 is 3 and 21.
63.
Ma'am, it's 63.
It's 63, ma'am.
Very good. It's 63. Come on, children, please make it as like.
Ma'am, your screen share is stopped.
Yeah, 1 minute, children.
Ma'am, descending means big to small. Ma'am, can I send you second bit also?
Yes, yes, both the bits you can.
Ma'am, second bit I sent you.
Yeah, once it is completed, we can go with our
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, now please give us quiz, ma'am.
Sure, children, sure. I am going to give quiz only. Please complete the first 2 bits by everyone. Let them complete. We got only from 2
Ma'am,
students.
you told last 10
One is
minutes you're going to
Rishikesh,
check.
one is Ashwath. And Deepthi, that was given first bit.
Ma'am, I gave you second bit also, ma'am.
Second bit by Rishikesh. Very good, Rishikesh. Once
Ma'am, you
the
told
making
check.
numbers like fractions, it is easy. Shall I do on screen, children? Anyone have doubt in that?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
no,
don't.
ma'am, no doubts. Ma'am, please give us quiz, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please,
Quiz,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, quiz. Ma'am, we want a quiz, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Quiz is open.
Okay.